guys. There we go. Well, headed over to the Mississippi River today for some pre-spawn perch, and yeah, because this is my first time over here this year. It's a bite that I've been wanting to do for years and finally have a chance to do it today. After talking to a couple buddies, they said the bite was pretty hot. They just told me that they were using basically red hook and enough weight for sinkers to get to the bottom. They were using like ½ ounce or something like that. So that's what I got rigged up initially, and enough me talking here. Let's get out there and go catch some fish. First one, guys. I think we're keeping that one because he took it deep. There we go. Number 2, guys. A little bit better fish there. There we go. Nice perch. There we go. Got the hat trick, guys. 3 of them.
Well, unfortunately I lost audio when I caught this fish, but figured this be a good time to share some information about the bite and how you can time the bite. Well, every spring you have an influx of fish, perch, walleye, other species as well, that come below the dams and whatnot. And the magical temperature that I've noticed is right around, 41, 42, 43, lower 40s for perch. And the importance of being able to time out when those water temperatures reach the levels. What you can do to find out that information is the National Weather Service has information on water temperatures throughout the Mississippi River. And I will share that with my screen so you guys have an idea what it looks like. I'll also put a link to that website in the description below. It also shows water temperature gauges for other bodies of water as well. This is a great resource for you folks. Let's get back to the fishing.
Getting big, guys. There we go. It's like another good one.
Yeah, you gotta have.
Getting bit, guys. Yep. That one. Feels like another decent fish. I want to eat. I want to eat all day. There we go, guys. Feels like a good one. There we go. That one's a chunk. They're a nice fish.
It fits through, but it's gotta be. You know, we got lucky. We got everything in with the early. We got a couple of those early.
I just set the rod down. Just turning the camera on. Got one.
Guys that got it in a few weeks later, that's pretty.
Oh, we'll keep him. That's a good eater. That was kind of funny with him. I just cast it in and just started reeling and he hit it. Went through a little lull there. I caught 2 within the last couple minutes. Well, just to give you guys an idea of pretty much what everyone's using for weight, using like ½ ounce, something to get you down to the bottom, something heavy. And I got about 1 foot lead going to a red hook with a red worm on it. And basically just cast it out as far as you can. Let it sit on the bottom. Get yourself a rod stick or whatever you want to call it and watch the tip of your rod. This fishing's about as simple as it gets. There we go. Yep, that's what I was thinking. School's going through. Everyone around's catching them now. This is fun. Good group of people out here. That one with Barry left. Getting bit, guys. There we go. I want to eat. There we go. A little wall again. This one feels like a good one. Our solid eater right there. Nice. There we go, guys. Train bite. Hopefully we can finish this one off for you, Zeb. This one feels like a healthy one. There we go. There we go. Train bite. Seems like they always bite when the train goes by. Hooked up, guys. There we go. This one feels like a good one. Real good one. There we go. Nice female. Throw this female back since I took a female earlier because she took it deep, so there we go. She's heading back. There she goes. There we go. There's a nice eater. On for the bucket. There we go. Just put that one in the bucket. We're hooked up again. School's definitely going through. The guys next to me picks them up too. This one will be going back. That was cool. Count that as a one-man double. See you, bud. There we go. That's a good fish, guys. That's a good fish. It's not too bad. Here we go. Got our limit, guys. Good day on the Mississippi River. Well, guys, we're just wrapping up the day here. That was an epic day of perch fishing for me. I don't think I've ever had a day of perch fishing like that ever. Pretty simple way to fish. Using that 1/2 ounce weight with a red hook. That's one thing I want to touch on. I used a size 2 and a size 4. I would say using a smaller hook size, using the size 4, was much more productive for the hookup ratio than the size 2. And yeah, the key is just getting your bait to the bottom, getting that red worm to the bottom and letting it sit. I don't have anything else for this video. I don't know where we're fishing next, but hey, no matter where we go, it'll be fun. That's all I got for you guys. We'll see you in the next video.